Hello guys, this is Prajit and welcome to RC Trucks. Today what we have here is an unboxing of GT Power RC truck lighting and voice vibration system. I purchased this for $53 on AliExpress. I think it's a fairly good deal because a same kind of an MFU which is manufactured by Tamiya costs around $250. So comparatively, I think $53 is not such a bad idea and not much of a bad investment. So let's see what we have here inside the box. So we open it, and the first item out of the box is the vibration motor. It has been packed pretty good with a bubble wrap and all those things, but this is how it looks like. The motor, the clamp, the offset weight, which gives you the vibrations when you start the truck. The next thing out of the box is the speaker. It fairly is a very big speaker. The box seems pretty huge for a RC truck. I think a smaller box would have been a much better option, owing to the fixtures and the space constraints on the truck. The next thing what I'm going to show you is the multifunction unit, and if you look at here closely, everything is mentioned on the left hand side and on the right hand side. You have the power supply, you have the motor connection, you have the horn connections here, the input and the output for the channels, and on the left hand side you have all the lighting connections, the headlights, the brake light, the turn signals. If you look at the outer box, the box seems really good, but the assembly seems very flimsy. Doesn't have much of a quality, but well, hey, for $53 I think this does the job. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's the wiring for the LEDs, the cables, the jumpers, the connectors, and all the connectors are marked as to what corresponding LEDs they are. 5mm for 5mm LEDs, 3mm for 3mm LEDs, and they also have the corresponding colors, be it a white LED, an orange LED, or red LED. So generally, if you look at the whole thing, for $53 I think it's worth a buy.